Hey guys, it's Al with techmadeezy, and it's time to talk about Ego 30-inch blades because, yeah, there's some confusing stuff going on out there in the world, and we figured why not talk about it. Let's go ahead and talk about it now. All right, guys, so I'm going to jump in real quick, but I first want to say something. I am making this blade video after I did the 30-inch review. I got to tell you, I used that thing for 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks, and I want to give you an update that I included in that video, but I want to say it again. So if you have an Ego mower and you're using it, and then the motor engages, right? You're pushing along and the motor engages. You're like, what's going on? And what I mean by the motor engaging, I mean the self-propel motor. Even if you have self-propel off, for some reason in a lot of Ego mowers, the motor will engage and then it'll give you some resistance. And the only way to make it stop is pulling it forward, pulling it back. Sometimes I actually have to turn self-propel on for a moment and then turn it off. Well, good news. Let me just say, pump the brakes. Good news. On this one, in almost 2 weeks of use, it didn't happen to me once. So let me get that out of the way. Now, this is not a long-term review. I will be doing a long-term review closer to the end of the season. But I wanted to share that good news with you because I think we all need good news. Now, I want to show you the blades on this guy after mowing for 2 weeks and really mowing a lot. So let me pick the deck up real quick, and I want to show you really quick. Let's take a look. All right, take a look at this. I'm getting a little buildup. I did not do any wet grass, by the way, but obviously you're still going to get some buildup. So look, I got a little buildup there. I got some on the mulch plug, as you can see here. But that's about it. I mean, this is a really, really nice deck. I mean, think about how much smooth area you have. And if you keep this clean, you're going to get great mulching. And we did. If you didn't see our video, I'll put the image up right there real quick. Oh, man. I mean, the mulching was wonderful with this thing. It did a great job. The blades are sharp. And I just bought another set of blades. And I want to take a moment and talk about blades. Let's go ahead and do that. So now let's talk about blades, right? So if you look at this blade and you're an Ego user, what blade do you think this is? You would call this a high lift blade, wouldn't you? Ego calls it a mulching blade, believe it or not. Yep. They call it a mulching blade. Now, let's take a look at what a high lift blade looks like on another model. Right? That is a high lift blade from another model, right? A 21-inch. All right, here's a 22-inch in green. Right? These are wonderful. These are great for bagging. They create that suction as they're flying around. They create the suction and then they cut that blade of grass and throw it right into your bag. These are great for bagging. But why would they call this a high lift blade and call that a mulching blade? Right? Now, I just bought a new set of blades, so let's open those up. All right, guys, so as you can see, there's an image on your screen. That's our full review of the Ego 30-inch. Now, if you want to see this, I'm going to put a link in the video description, but if you want to see it now, I'm going to put a link in the upper right-hand corner in a moment, and I'm going to put the word 30-inch, and all you got to do is click on that, all right? So here is the word 30-inch, and the red arrow is pointing to it. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll be able to jump in and watch our full review. All right, here we go, looking at the blade. So look at this for a minute. You see that? Look at that. That is nice and sharp. Could be sharper, be honest with you. Look at this high lift blade in green. And look at this, what they call mulching blade in black, right? I mean, look how much more of a sharper edge you get. I know it's 15 inches, right? So when you look at this, you can see that you're getting two of these. First of all, But why would they call this a mulching blade? I'm going to pull up an image because I want you to see the high lift blade that's coming out soon. I put one on order. I want you to see that. Take a look at that now. Isn't that weird? That looks like a mulching blade. It doesn't look like a high lift blade. To me, that looks like a high lift blade, right? I mean, we know what mulching blades look like. They're alligator blades. You know, they're very aggressive. And they're really good at mulching and throwing the grass on the ground, you know, small pieces so that you're feeding the lawn. So guys, when the high lift blades come out, I'm going to pull the picture up real quick. When those blades come out, I'm going to get a set. And then what I'll do is I will make a test, all right, and see, does that actually bag better? That'll be really interesting to see. Any comments, any questions? Post it down there, okay, guys? All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching our video. I sure hope you found it helpful. And if you did, give us a thumbs up. We'd appreciate that. I'm going to go ahead and put our social media up on top if you want to follow us. And you'll be able to subscribe to our channel by clicking this round Tech Made Easy logo. Guys, thank you so much and have a wonderful day.